In the last section, we mentioned that the closer the correlation coefficient of a pair is to -1, the more negatively correlated the pairs are, or in other words, the closer they are to moving in complete opposite directions all the time. And the closer to a +1, the more positively correlated the pairs are, or in other words, the closer they are to moving in exactly the same direction all the time. And the closer to 0 that they are, the less correlated they are to each other, meaning that they move in random directions compared to each other. This is a guide for interpreting the different currency correlation coefficient values. The correlation coefficient between pairs is constantly changing. So a good site to go to in order to find these pairs is myfxbook.com/forex-market/correlation. Once there, you can select which pairs you want to compare and see the current correlation coefficient between the two. For example, in this chart here, you can see that CAD-JPY and Euro-JPY are 82.9% correlated, or in other words, have a correlation coefficient of 0.829. So they are pretty strongly correlated. And you can see over here that CAD-JPY and USD-CAD are pretty negatively correlated. You can also type in here and find currencies with correlation lower than whatever percentage you want, or with correlation higher than whatever percentage you want. So for example, I could put 90 here and 90 here, and it's going to point out the pairs that have a correlation coefficient of 0.9 or higher, or -0.9 or lower. So you can see obviously these ones at 100% are AUD-NZD and AUD-NZD, so we don't care about those ones. But if you scroll down a little, for example, you can see here GBP-JPY and GBP-USD. Those two are very, very strongly correlated. Or you can see here as well, GBP-SGD and GBP-USD are also strongly correlated. GBP-USD and GBP-JPY are very strongly correlated. So you can use this to find the pairs that are strongly correlated, positively or negatively, to help you to know which pairs you should or shouldn't be trading at the same time.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.